How to make your penis bigger and stronger naturally without pills. Discover the best ways to get your penis of your dream naturally and quickly without dangerous medications. How to make the penis bigger. Penis exercises. If you want to improve your penis size effectively, you should work out every day. When you do physical exercise, your body will be in good shape, your self-esteem is also improved. Whenever you feel good, you will feel more satisfied about sex, and you will increase penis size accordingly. I will share with you several effective penis exercises that are extremely effective. 1. Wally Wally Up. To start this exercise, you will retrieve the erect phase by sitting on a chair edge. Hence, hold a towel over the penis head, increase the penis head, and hold it for 3 or 5 seconds. You should do 3 or 5 sets with 5 to 10 reps. If you feel stronger, you can rise up the resistance by wet towel, or by a larger towel over the penis head. Before you start an exercise, you can warm up by using a warm cloth with warm water and squeeze it correctly. Following the tips in this article, you will add up penis size significantly without dangerous prescription pills or medications. Penis exercises should be done for a long period of time to see results. 2. Lubricate. After warming up process, you will move to the lubrication exercise, which is one of the most important ways to increase your penis size naturally. In fact, you can find out a lot of lubricants to enlarge penis size, but the usual method is to use petroleum-based or water-based lubricants. I recommend lubricant oil, which includes botanical extracts, vitamin complexes, and antioxidants that go straight into the tissues of the penis for fast, targeted, immediate results. Remember that water-based lubricant can be dried out fast, therefore, you should put the lubricant during the exercise. 3. Stretches for penis. Firstly, you hold the penis as you think this is the last exercise to enhance your penis. One hand hold around the penis head, and another hand is around that hand. When you hold on the penis, you should stretch, and rotate your penis for 30 times, remember that rotate to the left. Then you can have a rest. Massage your penis a little bit. Then, hold the penis, stretch it, and rotate it to the right, do it for 30 times and take a break before you change to another side. You should do this exercise every day to increase the length of your penis. Actually, many men will feel painful when stretching their penis because they do not have the warm-up exercise. Stretching exercise is concerned as the best penis enlargement exercise, but it requires you a lot of patience, and you need to perform it properly. If not, you will feel painful with this exercise. Without pills, medications, or supplements, you can use this exercise as the daily routine to improve your penis health. 4. Length extender. Now, you hold firmly the penis head, another hand keeps the remaining hand to make a grip. You can sit on the chair or stand up, it depends on you. Then, you get a firm grip on the head, hold straight, and hold for 30 seconds. You can pull the penis and stretch it, but you can feel painful when you perform this exercise. You can take a short break between the sets, and you can speed up the process or increase the intensity if you feel better. An extender is designed to provide gentle and painless penis traction. The device fastens around the base of the penis and around the corona gland's head, offering a fully adjustable traction apparatus. When you gradually increase the longitudinal force on the shaft of the penis, the body's natural reaction to this force is multiplication of tissue cells and gradual expansion of the penile tissue. In other words, the penis gradually adds tissue for a larger and longer penis. But be careful with these devices, some of them can traumatize your penis. 5. Kegels exercises. With these Kegels exercises, you can enhance your muscles. If you squeeze muscles in your penis, it is considered as you finish the pee flow. You do wrong if your stomach is worked out or muscles are butted. You can squeeze the muscles on and off, use the same muscle to end it, and begin the pee flow again. You should implement for 10 sets, get a short rest between set, and start with 20 or 30 per time. 6. Jelquing exercises. Now wrap up your thumb and hand your finger around your penis base, squeeze, press down the penis head. This action will help you increase flow of blood through the penis, especially when you stretch penis. You can practice this exercise with both hands, exchange them after each set. The exercise will improve the blood flow very effectively. 7. The circular rotation. This exercise is familiar to stretching exercise. However, you can find some differences as below. Use only one hand to hold your dick stretch out. Rotate this position. Do for 30 seconds for one direction. Do for 30 seconds for other direction. Practice 5 times per day. How to make your penis bigger diet plan. Unfortunately, for men who desire to increase their size of penis, the penis size is determined by genetics. Therefore, no foods can accomplish making it bigger. However, there are some foods that can help accelerate your training for penis. If you combine a specific diet plan together with your exercises for penis, you can get the result you want quickly. Some foods called vasodilators may help you a lot in their training process. However, they can increase blood flow to your penis. Some examples of these foods are milk, eggs, liver, tuna, salmon, and vegetables like tomatoes, broccoli, carrots, and sweet potatoes. If you want to increase the size of your penis and improve the health of your masculinity without side effects and pain, I will show you 5 out of foods that you should add to your diet plan. 1. Pumpkin seeds. Exactly, pumpkin seeds, which can help you enhance penis size at home more effective. By speeding up the blood, pumpkin seeds play an important part in your meal because they are rich in vitamin E. 2. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate is concerned as a nutrient food, because it not only helps you increase sexual life, but it also helps you rise up blood flow because it has flavanol. Many people like dark chocolate because it is the best type of chocolate. It is rich in cocoa, antioxidants, and has a little sugar. Dark chocolate also helps you detoxify your body, as well. Certainly, this kind of chocolate has a lot of calories to supply your energy. 3. Ginkgo Biloba. If you want to enlarge your penis, you cannot forget this kind of foods. If you do not know about this food, take an action right now by adding up this nutrient into your meal because it can help you increase circulation of the blood, and help you improve your mind. 4. Ginger. One of the top foods for penis improvement is ginger. If your immune system is weak, ginger is the good choice to improve it. In many manners, this nutrient is very useful, especially for your current target, increasing your penis health. Ginger can increase blood flow that is good for your penis. It also helps you burn fat very effectively. Moreover, ginger can help you increase blood circulation to your organs. Therefore, you will get a fit body, as well as masculinity. 5. Cayenne pepper. Have you ever thought that cayenne pepper is the great source for penis enlargement? While most of the men use this kind of spice for their daily foods, they do not know that cayenne pepper can help them improve penis size. Cayenne pepper increases your metabolism, as well as blood circulation. You can mix the pepper with apple cider vinegar every day. The best time is in the morning. This taste, probably, is not great for you, but you will receive the most benefits from it. If you want to know more about tips and advice from specialists on how to make your penis bigger, some tips and advice from specialists. If exercise and diet plan do not help you get a penis bigger, you should follow some other ways such as 1. Turn up the heat. Ian Kerner, a sex therapist, says that blood flow is crucial if you want to improve your penis size and penis health. When he turned on more and more, he will feel bigger inside. 2. Bring a toy into the bedroom. Kerner advises that you can try something useful nowadays like Vibe to change your penis size. One of the most effective ways is that you can bring the vibrator into your bedroom and certainly, you will feel better. He also says that you can bring any sex toy because they do the same thing for you. 3. Encourage him to lay off the solo sex. If a man has not sexed for days, definitely, the blood flow in his penis will be full. When he does it again, he will feel bigger and bigger. Certainly, It is maybe difficult to accept because you cannot require him masturbate if you do not have any explanation. You must explain why he should do that. Kerner suggests that you can recommend phases like you are full at the moment, you should not use computer all days, get it off, or you can turn on the Seinfeld that you can see who you can go with, no need to masturbate.